Welcome to today's Articulate Storyline Update video. Yesterday, Tuesday, June 16th, 2026, Articulate released version 3.119.37185.0, and this update contains just two bug fixes. The first corrected an issue where screen recordings displayed the wrong frames when viewed in Review 360. The second addressed a problem where a video on a slide's base layer would continue playing even when a pause timeline of base layer trigger was enabled. That's it for this update. With last week's significant release still fresh, a quick maintenance drop is about what you'd expect. If this update helped you understand what changed in Articulate's storyline, the video on the screen walks through this week's earlier storyline update, where we break down additional enhancements, fixes, and new features you'll want to be aware of. Go ahead and select it to keep going. And if you want practical storyline tutorials that help you keep up with new features, updates, and workflow changes, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.